Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to enable the Universe and Multiverse software repositories in Ubuntu. Default repositories restrict your choices, but enabling these channels expands your software options instantly. First, open your terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T simultaneously on your keyboard. Type the following command to enable the community-maintained open source channel: sudo add-apt-repository universe. Input your system password when prompted and press Enter to validate the rule. Next, type this command to enable the repository for software restricted by copyright or legal issues: sudo add-apt-repository multiverse. Hit Enter again to let the system pull the configuration changes directly into your package manager directory structures. Finally, type the refresh rule command to synchronize your package index data: sudo apt-update. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.